Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a class to use with Personal Math Trainer, how to assign assignments on Personal Math Trainer, and some quick tips for using Personal Math Trainer on student iPads. So you're going to log into Think Central, and in the upper left-hand corner you're going to click Manage Classes. From there you're going to add a class. The icon's in the lower right-hand corner. You're going to give your class a name. You're going to select a grade level, and you're going to click Add Adaptive Learning Products. You're going to click Personal Math Trainer. Click both of those. Some teachers have had luck using either or, so just to be safe, click both of them. And then you'll see down here that there's a bunch of different products listed. You can uncheck the products and then go ahead and click Drawing Tools, Mega Math en Español, Spanish iTools, Spanish Student Activity Book. Then you're going to go to Assign Students. From here, it'll be a bit easier to find your students by filtering the grade level. So you want to pick your grade level and press Find to apply the filter and start adding your students. You can add them one by one, or if you press Command on your keyboard, you can click multiple students at the same time to add. Once you add all your students, you can press Done. So now you have your class. Go back to Think Central to start assigning assignments. Go ahead into your grade level version, and you're going to click on Personal Math Trainer. Click on Spanish PMT, and you can look at the different types of assignments you can assign on Personal Math Trainer. Click on Lesson Level Homework, Unit 1, or whatever you might want to assign. If you click on the actual lesson or assignment, you can see what it will look like. Or you can just go ahead and assign. If you found after looking at the lesson there's something you want to change, you can click Modify. If not, you can add the lesson to be assigned. You're going to give the lesson a name. You're going to write directions. And you're going to pick a class to assign it to, and the students who you want to assign the assignment to. From there, you can pick the date you want it to be available, so you can do this ahead of time, and the date it's due. You can add different activity settings as well, such as allowing students to see their answers or not. And then you can add an adaptive workflow for students to complete after they complete the assignment. And then you can go ahead and press Save to assign the assignment. I'm not going to press that because I do not want these students assigned the work. So I'll just press Cancel. All right. Now moving on, some tips that we've figured out for using Think Central on student iPads are the following. When you use Think Central, you want to have students access the website through Safari. Now with Safari, the students are going to initially add their username and passwords. Before doing that, we want to make sure that the autofill setting in Safari is set. So you're going to go to Settings, click on Safari, and click on Autofill. We want students' passwords and usernames to be saved. From there, you're going to click on the button to allow names and passwords to be saved. Also within Safari, you're going to want to make sure that block pop-ups is not chosen. Some students have been having problems accessing the games or other activities on their iPads, and that's because they haven't been allowing the block-ups, or their black pop-ups icon is on, meaning all pop-ups are blocked. So we want to allow those pop-ups for the games and other activities to actually function correctly. Students should add Think Central as an icon to their iPad home screen. To do that, they can press this share icon, the square with arrow, and click on Add to Home Screen. From there, they can add the name of the website. It should just come up and say Think Central. And then students will have Think Central as an icon on their home screen. It will look like an app. It's just an icon for that website. I hope this is helpful. Please let your coaches know if you would like any assistance. Thank you. Bye.